Good afternoon, everybody. Welcome to my YouTube channel once again. Today we're doing the unboxing of the Roccat Burst Pro. One thing that I love about this mouse already is that it's using an optical switch, which is the Roccat own Titan switch optical. It's going to be really interesting. So why I went with this mouse, because I was watching a streamer, I don't know the name on top of my head, but I'll put it somewhere in this video. And I gave him my hand measurements, and he says, okay, so what mouse are you looking for? I said, I don't care if it's ambidextrous. I did not say that. I said, I don't care about the shape of lawn. I can palm grip it and I'll be comfortable. I'll be really happy. So he recommended me to go with this. So I am going to try this out. So it's been a while that I've been with Roccat products. I think the last one I had was the Cane, was the last one. But this is really interesting. I kind of like how this thing looks already. So color options. As you see in front of you, this comes with black and also comes with the white one as well. And again, I'm always a sucker when it comes to German engineering. So at the side of the box, as I'm ripping it, 68 grams, extremely lightweight, 100 million clicks, life cycle, 60.8 million color options, or RGB, and of course 16,000 dpi ROI sensor, aka using the 3389 sensor. Also, the cable that uses, according to them, uses the phantom flux cable. Interesting. So let's see. Let's get this out of the way. So by the time you saw this video, if you missed it, I did upload the review of the Model O wireless. So I was not really that happy with it. I already explained it on the review. So move on to the next thing. Ooh, okay. Oh, that's nice. Comes with extra mouse feet, quick start guide, aka quick installation, which I never need that. Ooh, so this is how the mouse comes with. All right, nice. Ooh, this thing came. Ooh, this is not good. All right, let's stretch it out. Ooh, all right, let's do a quick sound test. I like the side buttons already. Oh, perfect. All right, let's do a quick sound test. Left click. I can show it to you guys. Look. Pretty much that's it. Let me see how it feels in my hands. 1 second. Oh, okay. I could easily palm this. Ooh, I can easily palm this mouse. Oh, hello. Wow. So let me move my camera over here for you guys to see. So this is how it looks when I palm it. Ooh. Okay. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, stand by and let me plug into my computer and install the drivers. And we'll see how this puppy looks when it lights up. Stand by. Okay, so I got the mouse plugged in already. And yes, I did remove the blue tape that protects the mouse feet, so don't worry about it. So you see, boom, it's gone, ready to go. I really am shocked with this mouse is how good it feels in my hand. And I kind of like it for once that I don't have to feel holes on the mouse, even though it uses like a black matte ABS plastic on it, I believe. Which something I might have to get used to it, man. But I really want to jump into even Warzone or to jump in Cold War and play right now. Really try this thing out. Any questions, you know what to do. Answer those questions down in the comment section. Until then, guys, I am signing off. Goodbye.